In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp and QuickBooks together. By the end, you'll have your accounting data flowing into your email marketing so you can send smarter campaigns without manual imports. Start in Mailchimp and open the Integrations area. In the search bar, look for QuickBooks and choose the option labeled Mailchimp for QuickBooks. This is the official connection that syncs your QuickBooks contacts with a Mailchimp audience, keeping key details aligned for targeted emails and automations. You'll be prompted to pick which audience in Mailchimp should receive your QuickBooks contacts. Use the drop-down to select an existing audience. If you run multiple brands or segments, choose the audience that best represents your customers from QuickBooks. It's a good idea to use a dedicated audience rather than mixing unrelated contacts, which helps keep reporting clean and automations accurate. Next, you'll choose the contact status you want to include. This determines who gets synced into Mailchimp based on their eligibility for marketing. Select the option that matches your consent and communication policies. If you're subject to regulations like GDPR or CAN spam, make sure the contacts you sync have permission to receive marketing emails. This setting helps prevent sending to people who shouldn't be on your list. Once those choices are set, click the button to connect to QuickBooks. A secure login window will appear. Sign in with your QuickBooks account credentials to authorize the connection. Use the account that has access to the company data you want to sync. If your organization uses multi-user access, you'll need a user with the right permissions. You'll see a permissions screen outlining what data Mailchimp can view and use, such as basic contact information and purchase history fields used for segmentation. Take a moment to read these details so you understand exactly what's being shared. If everything looks right, select Connect to finalize the integration. After the connection is established, the initial sync begins. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may take a little time. When it's done, head to your Mailchimp audience and spot check a few records. Confirm names, email addresses, and any important fields like company, phone, or billing details you rely on for segmentation. If you see duplicates, review your audience settings and consider enabling Mailchimp's duplicate management features. From here, you can create segments based on attributes like customer activity to tailor your campaigns. If you ever need to pause or adjust the sync, you can return to the integration settings. And remember, keeping your audience clean and your permissions up to date will produce better deliverability and more relevant messaging.